Hello, I'm Joe Heidt, Vice President of Business Development at Heidt & Sons, and I want to thank you for trusting Heidt & Sons with your restoration project. As a homeowner with a family myself, I understand that your recent property damage was a major upheaval in your life. It's our mission to do restoration right, and it's my sincerest hope that we did just that. We've built our reputation on doing our absolute best every time, but at Heidt & Sons, we also believe there is always room to learn, improve, and grow with every restoration we do. Your feedback is the only way we can do that. That's why I'm here today, to ask you the favor of letting us know how we did on your restoration project. Was our team compassionate, courteous, and professional? Did we provide you with great value for the services you received? Did our work meet or exceed your expectations, and was it done on or before the date we promised? Have we restored your peace of mind? If not, we really want to know. Please also take a moment to think about a particular Heidt & Sons employee that might have gone above and beyond and provided truly exceptional service. It will mean the world to them if you mention their name. We'd like to know who our customer service superstars are, so we can continue to provide exceptional service. Every member of our team really cares about your satisfaction. Of course, if you'd rather do things the old-fashioned way, our team is just a phone call away, and we are ready to listen. There's nothing more important to all of us at Heidt & Sons than doing things right and always providing the best value. From all of us, thank you again for trusting Heidt & Sons, where we do restoration right.